Now you will learn how to make the decrease here. The decrease crochet has the abbreviation is the letter A. Okay. I will, for example, for this, you want to make the decrease. It means that you want to decrease the stitch. Here. So the first step is you will put your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, go through. Okay, so you will just keep your hook at this area and don't go to yarn to 2 circles. Now we will move to next stitch, go to yarn over, go to. Okay, we will have 3 circles here, and you will make the yarn go through all 3 circles. Now let's move to the next crochet. Put the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, go to yarn over, and yarn over 3. Let's see, yarn over. I will make it slowly so you can see that. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, go through, yarn over, go through, yarn over, go through. You can see the number of the stitch is decreased. Yeah, and this would make the row shorter than before. Okay, finish. Thank you.